The president's word is different. The president's word is policy. He said kill, 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 and then indeed kill, kill, kill happened. The killing started, and it did not end, diba? Until the end of his term. And the rough estimate is 12,000 to 30,000 by the International Criminal Court. No, so the word of the president is policy, and his own language will actually be used against him. Number 3, even his own admissions. Nasabi niya may pinatay siya, may binaril siya, 'di ba? May pinagbabaril siya. Number 4 is of course the testimonies of sila Arthur Las Cañas, sila Bato-Bato, saying that they took orders from their own cells. Na ang pinaka-head is si President Duterte, that there's a flow of money there, 'di ba? Na nakita rin naman ng Quadcom na ginamit yung pera ng Estado para pumatay, at nakakakuha sila ng pera kada pumapatay sila, at in fact they are considered as police assets under the payroll. Ibig sabihin nito, ito ay systematic.